Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find and save videos on YouTube the right way. Let's jump right in. First, open the YouTube app on your device. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Then, under the Playlists section, tap on View All. This is where you'll see all the videos you've saved, if you've already added any to a playlist. Now, here's the thing, YouTube doesn't have a default saved playlist like other platforms do. But don't worry, creating your own playlist is super simple. Go back to the YouTube homepage and find a video you want to save. Under the video, you'll see several icons. Swipe left through those options and tap on the one that says Save. A menu will pop up with a couple of options. Tap on New Playlist, enter a title for your playlist, and then hit Create. Next time you save a video, you can just select that playlist from the Save menu. To double check it's all working, tap your profile icon again at the bottom right. Go to Playlists and tap on the one you created. Your saved videos will be right there. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find and organize your saved videos on YouTube. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel.